Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, June the 24th, 2020. And the fourth puzzle is a binary puzzle, but what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there's always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. We have a double O here, so here one, there one. We have now 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Yes. Alright. Then double 1 here and O, then O, double O here and 1, then 1, double O here and 1, then 1, between 2 ones comes an O, double O here and 1, then 1, double 1 here and O, then O. We have 4 O's now, so the rest are ones. We have 4 ones here in this column, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 ones comes an O, double O here and 1, then 1, double 1 here and O, then O, double O here and 1, then 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double O here and 1, there 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's here, so the rest are ones. Then let me see. Do I need to compare? Fours. Yes, 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. I cannot place and the 4th O here, otherwise we have 3 ones in a row, not allowed. So these two numbers, these two boxes should be in 1. Yes. How about double O here, 1, there 1. Yes. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then yes, need to compare with these 2 rows. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box. So I need to switch these 2 numbers. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have a O here, so this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku, great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this binary puzzle so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku in today's newspaper in additional. It will be a tectonic, aka Sudoku. So see you later, and bye bye for now.